Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are making a very easy and beautiful turban double knot. This is the material we're going to use. Two-way stretching. So guys, if you have a stretchy fabric, you can use any first, before you take your measurement, make sure you take your head circumference to get the accurate measurement. So now I'm taking this head band. The person that I'm making this for, the head circumference is 23. Based on the stretchy fabric, I'm not going to take 23. I'm just going to take 22.5. So this front band is 22.5 inches. The length of the double knot is going to be really long to have two knots, okay, on this. So we'll fix it. If it's too long, then we can reduce it. And this is the you can use woody or you use light foam. So now I'm going to place, you can see that I joined this together because I don't have enough fabric. You can join it there, you can start your knot from there. So now I'm going to, this is the case. One is 48 inches, 8.5. This is the one we're going to put the woody inside, and the woody is this is foam. The foam is 3 inches by 45 inches long, 3 inches wide, 45 inches long. So we're going to retake the measurement of the, this is the base. So the base is 22.5 inches because the head circumference is 23 inches. We're not going to use 23 inches because it's a very stretchable fabric. So I just deduct 0.5 inch. Okay, so now first we're going to fold the band like this into two, and you place it right side facing each other, both right side facing each other. Okay, I'm going to run a stitch like this. Just use your pin to hold it. Let everything be aligned. You can use any stretchy fabric. This is the fabric I have to make this for my customer. And so this is the design on top. I'm going to turn the back, fold it into two like this. So you put it together like this, and then I place the woody. Okay, let me show you one thing. As you can see, the design, the fabric is wider. When I place it like this, you can see that we have like few inches at the side. Let me say 1.5, and the other side the same thing. So now what I need to do is to put the right side, fold it into two, right side facing each other like this, and you place the foam. Just make sure that you leave enough space, 1.5 here, and you're going to place it here. You see where the thing is opened like this. Then I place the foam, I pin it. So the same thing with the other part. You can see we have a space which is 1.5, because this one is longer than the foam. So now what I need to do is I'm going to stitch like this from the open part, from the C, like that. So I'm going to half an inch to sew it. Okay, I'll be right. So guys, this is the, is also, so just put it like this and turn it out. And so I just take a measurement of 10 from here I'm going to tie it like so. I'm going to tie this other one like so. We're going to sew like this. Okay, so we're going to leave a space about 3.5. So now I'm going to use pin to sew it, starting from here. I'm trying to gather the back parts, so you start from, oh, let me see, you start from here, not from the band. After the band, you just use your needle to stitch loose stitch, and so it's just as simple as using your hand to stitch. Okay, just trying to do it to the tips. So you have to put the needle at the after the stitch, so use the needle to gather it after the stitch, and you draw it together. So this is it. So you just draw it like that, just firmly. So I'm going to bring it out from the other side like that. When I bring it out, I will just like tack it down to hide the sharpness. So I'm just tacking it down. So after tacking it down, you bring the thread back again, then you bring it out from inside, then you knot it. So after we knot it, then we turn the front side. So guys, just too easy. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed. So this is double knots, very easy to make. It's on my mannequin. Guys, this is it. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up.